So my name is Avi Hoffman, and I have the great honor, pleasure, and privilege of being the director of a magnificent world premiere of a show called Unlikely Heroes. And the way that this came about is that a gentleman by the name of Charles Gluck, who I later found out was a doctor, approached me one day after a reading in a theater in Coral Gables called Gable Stage, run by a gentleman named Joe Adler, who I have an enormous amount of respect for. And I had been doing a reading. I was working on a project, and we did a reading there at the theater, which Chuck saw. And he approached me after the reading, asked me if I would be willing to read a play that he had written, apparently his first play, and if I would be willing to read it and give him my honest opinion. And I did. And here we are 3.5 years later, working on the world premiere of this play with a cast that I could not ask for better. Every single person in the cast might as well have had the role written for them. And the process of the last 3 years has been one of the most pleasurable and exciting and creative that I've experienced in a very long time. And it's not often that all the pieces of a certain piece come together in such a beautiful way, where that creativity becomes such a wonderful and open and channel of collaboration. To bring it to a place where the essence of this incredible story of a family in a time of crisis comes together to try to comprehend the situation that they find themselves in. And what I love most about it is that even though the play is so serious, it's so funny. And only really great plays can mix that comedy and drama together in such a wonderful and integrated way. I cannot wait till we actually get into rehearsal, now that the script has been beaten into submission at the cost of a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. But now there is a script that is so tight and so right on the money that now to get a group of talented actors and designers and production team together to bring it to life in Boca Raton at Meisner Park Cultural Arts Center is going to be a highlight of my career, and I look forward to every second.